Well, this is our first old long friend we've encountered. You can see all the, at least it's silicate. This rock, more obsidian, and somebody's still represented here. You can see how it flakes, and it might have had a little help flaking, if you know what I mean. We can see how the moss stays on the shady side, and it's another boulder. You can see there's weathering and more obsidian. Just so you can see it glistening, probably chips of obsidian. And let's go over and see this guy. And again, the hands, like they blew it on, although it was probably on their hands. It's there's a guy here that flaked off partially. It's clearly a drying of some kind. The red part, I don't know what you could see of it. And there's a guy right there, barely, just barely hanging on with the red. And red on my hands. That looks like a right hand, and that looks like a left hand. And then a big gouge here. There's a gouge all through there. Hard to say if it was made with tools or it's weathering. But here's the, I guess, now he's got a tail. And he's standing up, and there's some guys over here doing something. Guys on the right look a little less scary on my right, and it's almost like a raccoon, but there's stuff scratched underneath and behind in black, and over here is some remnants of red. There's red all along here. I'll try to trace it. And then down here, that's a pretty good impression showing you how red things used to be when it was real. And these, that has 8 legs and 4 toes in each foot, or maybe 5, with a head. And a lot of it is down here. You see this, whatever that is, right there. And very interesting. I'm glad this guy's still here. Sort of an insect guy, but antenna, you don't see any chakras going on with these guys. They're, and whoever was over here on the right, you can see the downside of things, and there's black underneath here as well, which might turn up in this that I'm taking, and stuff all the way down. And then if you look down here, there's actually a cavern, and we'll take a walk down there, see what's going on.